J&J Railfans, Allen Chase, DePaul, Indiana. Looks like a nice intermodal this morning. Yep, our third train of the day. Yep, so lucky. Yes, they're working on the 4th of July today. Yep. Refrigerator cars are running. Must be full load. It is more than an intermodal.
It's a stacking rack.
It's a stacking rack.
Yeah, we love stacking racks. We love stacking racks, right?
Yep, we like the stacking racks. We see a lot of them. Well, there's an auto plant in Princeton, Indiana, and there's the Louisville has the Ford plant down there in Louisville. So between the two, these trains usually go between Louisville and Princeton. So we see a lot of auto racks out here. Seeing cars in it? Yep, I see car. I saw a car in that one. You saw some in the Automax? Yep. Just the two leading. There she goes. She is out of here. Thanks for watching, J&J Railfans. God bless and have a great day. Like, subscribe, and comment.